Imagine this. Your body is a finely tuned machine, with each part working tirelessly to keep you alive and thriving. But what if I told you that there's a crucial component often overlooked, silently toiling away in the shadows, vital to your very existence? Welcome, dear viewers, to Health and Lifestyle, where we unravel the mysteries of the human body and delve into the secrets of optimal well-being. Today, we embark on a journey deep within ourselves, exploring a vital organ often underestimated but profoundly impactful: our kidneys. Our kidneys, two bean-shaped marvels nestled within our bodies, are the unsung heroes of our internal ecosystem. Their role? Filtering waste and excess fluids from our blood, maintaining a delicate balance essential for our survival. Understanding the kidneys. The kidneys, although small in size, play a monumental role in maintaining our overall health. Positioned just below the ribcage on either side of the spine, these remarkable organs filter approximately 200 quarts of blood each day, removing waste and excess fluids to produce urine. But their duties extend beyond waste removal. The kidneys also regulate electrolyte levels, control blood pressure, and stimulate the production of red blood cells. In essence, they act as our body's natural filtration system, ensuring that harmful toxins are expelled while essential nutrients are retained. Factors affecting kidney health. Despite their importance, our kidneys are vulnerable to various threats, both external and internal. Lifestyle factors such as diet, hydration, and exercise play a significant role in determining kidney health. A diet rich in processed foods, saturated fats, and excessive sodium can burden the kidneys, leading to inflammation and reduced function over time. In contrast, a balanced diet comprising fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides the necessary nutrients to support optimal kidney function. Hydration is equally crucial. Adequate water intake ensures that the kidneys can effectively flush out toxins and maintain proper fluid balance within the body. Dehydration, on the other hand, can impair kidney function and increase the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Regular exercise offers a multitude of benefits for kidney health. Physical activity improves blood circulation, lowers blood pressure, and helps manage weight, all of which contribute to better kidney function and overall well-being. In addition to lifestyle factors, certain medical conditions pose significant threats to kidney health. Diabetes, a chronic condition characterized by elevated blood sugar levels, can damage the kidney's filtering units over time, leading to kidney disease or failure if left uncontrolled. Similarly, high blood pressure can strain the blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their ability to function properly. Understanding the impact of these factors is crucial for safeguarding our kidney health and preventing the onset of kidney-related complications. Tips for improving kidney health. Now that we've explored the factors affecting kidney health, let's delve into practical steps we can take to enhance the well-being of these vital organs. Hydration. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to support kidney health is by staying hydrated. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day and adjust your intake based on factors such as climate, activity level, and overall health. Balanced diet. Fuel your body with a nutrient-rich diet that nourishes your kidneys and promotes overall health. Incorporate plenty of fruits and vegetables, which are naturally low in sodium and rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Opt for whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to round out your meals and provide essential nutrients for kidney function. Limit sodium and processed foods. Excessive sodium intake can elevate blood pressure and strain the kidneys, so it's essential to monitor your sodium consumption and limit processed foods high in salt. Instead, choose fresh, whole foods and use herbs and spices to add flavor to your meals without increasing sodium levels. Regular exercise. Physical activity is not only beneficial for cardiovascular health, but also plays a crucial role in supporting kidney function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, incorporating activities like walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling to keep your body moving and your kidneys happy. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can wreak havoc on your kidneys and overall health. Smoking narrows blood vessels, reducing blood flow to the kidneys and increasing the risk of kidney disease. Similarly, excessive alcohol consumption can impair kidney function and lead to various health complications. If you smoke or drink alcohol, take steps to quit or reduce your intake to protect your kidneys and improve your overall well-being. Seeking medical advice. While these tips can help support kidney health, it's essential to remember that everyone's health needs are unique. If you have concerns about your kidney health or underlying medical conditions, don't hesitate to seek guidance from a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice, conduct screenings, and recommend treatment options tailored to your individual needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, our kidneys are vital organs that play a critical role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. By understanding the factors that influence kidney health and implementing practical lifestyle changes, we can take proactive steps to protect our kidneys and reduce the risk of kidney-related complications. Remember to stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, engage in regular physical activity, and manage any underlying health conditions effectively. By prioritizing our kidney health, we can enjoy a longer, healthier life filled with vitality and vitality. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of kidney health. If you found this video informative and valuable, be sure to subscribe to Health and Lifestyle for more insightful content on optimizing your health and well-being. Together, let's empower ourselves to live our best lives and thrive in body, mind, and spirit. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy.